Hello everybody, session 36, context of the play. Carnot's use of history and mythology. Carnot's use of the themes of history and mythology that would inform his work over the following decades. These sources were often used to portray contemporary themes and existentialist crises of modern man. Most of his characters are locked in psychological and philosophical conflicts. Carnot's play Tughlaq, written in 1964, tells the story of the 14th century Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq and remains among the best known of his works. The context of the play. Girish Karnad's Tughlaq is a representation of one of the most important but nevertheless neglected periods of Indian history. The reign of the 14th century Mughal Emperor Muhammad bin Tughlaq remains till date one of the most turbulent periods of history. This is the first and most significant play in the post-independence period to have engaged with the Sultanate period in Indian history. This period brought an end to the golden age of classical Hinduism and introduced Islam as a dominant force. This is one of the most important phases of Islamic imperialism in India, but it remains neglected in the national imaginary because of the attention given to the later Mughal and British imperialism. Tughlaq as an eccentric sultan. In the narrative of the life and achievements of the eccentric sultan, Carnot saw the possibilities of creating a drama about contemporary political turmoil. While Carnot elliptically borrows from a variety of sources like Ziauddin Barani's contemporaneous account of Tughlaq in Taqi-e-Firoz Shahi, written in 1357, he also freely blends fact and fiction to give the story a contemporary relevance. The play then represents the hopes and disappointments in the political life of the Nehruvian era in Indian politics. It voices the disillusionment of the people of Karnat's generation with Nehru's idealism. The play is a comment of the political scenario of the 2 decades after independence under Nehru's leadership. Nehru's vulnerability to failure in spite of overarching ambition and an uncompromising intellect is paralleled with that of Tughlaq. Karnat's Tughlaq is a significant intervention in history as also a site for the development of a creative analogy between the past and the present. The contemporaneity ascribed to a historical situation makes the play unique. Karnat's success. Major works Girish Karnad's success in the field of contemporary theatre bears testimony to the fact that Indian theatre has revitalized itself through the use of experimental models. His plays are an assertion of the fact that Indian theatre can achieve significant success only by a return to the roots. His plays are an interesting blend of the classical and the popular elements of Indian theatre. He borrowed theatrical techniques both from the Sanskrit and the folk theatres of India. His plays are often considered to be an important part of Indian English literature, the consensus being that he himself has translated these plays into English. Thank you.